Kit and Coco.
Deer, ram, raccoon, goose, rhino beetle, bull, red fox, alpaca, goat, sheep, dog, cow, horse, llama, tarantula, cat, grasshopper, cockroach, hare, caterpillar, yak, swan, lamb, snowy owl, ladybird, chickens, pig family, cricket, donkey, dragonfly, mole, duck, praying mantis, red squirrel, centipede, rabbit, ant, pink piglet, puppy, butterfly, oryx, emperor scorpion, wolf, rhinoceros, giant tortoise, red panda, a mummy and baby elephant, wildebeest, zebra, giraffe, black panther, lion, kingfisher, pangolin, ostrich, a mummy and a baby kangaroo, okapi, moose, flamingo, koala, peacock, green anaconda, panda, cheetah family, chameleon, fennec fox, anteater, wombat, howler monkey, mummy and a baby leopard, shoebill, ring-tailed lemur, brown bear family, warthog, meerkat, budgerigar, ocelot, emu, Komodo dragon, bat, camel, scorpion, badger, sloth, echidna, tapir, jaguar, frilled lizard, kiwi, black bear, white tiger, gorilla family.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Kit and Coco.